Welcome to my new video, guys. This is the unique and healthy recipes. Let's make a transparent liquid soap. See my image through the soap. Sock SLS 1 to 5G in 1 liter water. Soak soda ash 1 to 5G in 1 liter water. Dissolve nitrosol opening parenthesis to 5OG closing parenthesis dot in 3 liters water. Stir immediately to dissolve. Dissolve 3 spoons of caustic soda and pour into nitrosol solution. Add gradually and stir vigorously. Add Texapon 100G. Stir very well. Add sulphonic acid 330 mL. Stir vigorously. Add soda ash solution and stir. Add SLS solution. Keep stirring to mix properly. Add foam booster 150 ml. Add fragrance 10 ml. Please give this video thumbs up. Dissolve and add colorant. Kindly share for many others to make theirs. Thanks for supporting me by subscribing. I appreciate you. I added more colorant. Leave the soap mixture for 24 hours. Please subscribe if you have not. Drop your comments below. Like this video, please. After 24 hours, so transparent. I saw myself through the soap. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.